Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you observe your face closely, you'll see some small holes, which we call pores. The fat-producing glands are located in those pores, but this fat is necessary to keep your skin from drying out. When your pores get stopped up because of fat and dead skin cells, blackheads start to form. These small black spots are more common for people with oily skin, but can appear on all skin types. If you have lots of blackheads, especially on your face, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to teach you how to make a mask that will remove blackheads. This mask is great for your skin because it has ingredients such as coconut oil. Due to coconut oil's nutritional power, it's great at hydrating your skin and leaving it smooth without clogging up your pores. Furthermore, it helps treat acne, burns, wrinkles, and can even be used to exfoliate. Turmeric. Just like coconut oil, turmeric is great for your skin. This plant can be used in face masks to remove facial hair, treat acne, hydrate your skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Honey. Just like coconut oil, honey has antibacterial properties, which fight acne very effectively. Furthermore, honey is great at hydrating your skin. Now that you know the main ingredients in this mask, here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of an organic flour of your choice, 2 teaspoons of powdered turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, 2 drops of essential oil. Peppermint and frankincense work well. If you have oily skin, add 2 teaspoons of unflavored organic yogurt. If you have dry skin, add 2 teaspoons of a natural oil. Coconut or almond are the best. Instructions: mix all of the powdered ingredients, flour and turmeric powder, in a mixing bowl until they are well blended. Then gradually add the wet ingredients, all but the essential oils, and stir gently to form a paste. Finally, mix in the drops of essential oils and enjoy your organic, healthy face mask. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.